the things that you'll learn through that process of fixing, you will take those skills to the next painting and the next and the next. Every time you give up on a painting, you're saying goodbye to a whole pile of skills that you could be learning. As a professional artist, I spend all day long fixing things in paintings, because you bang the paint on, you go, oh, that's not working. How do I fix that? And then you fix it. And you go, oh, there's another thing over there that's not working. How do I fix that? And then you fix that. That's what you do in the painting process. So don't throw away this opportunity to see if you can fix something in a fixable painting. You've got to walk away, come back and look at it fresh, and then you spot straight away what's calling out to you the loudest. You just got to know the point where you realize it's modern mind trying to fix things to tidy them. And that's where the freshness of the painting goes. But I think you've got lots of gorgeous freshness in there, and you've fixed all the issues that were in the painting.